authority derives from moral standing, not political alignment. True judicial independence requires constitutional courage, deciding cases on law and precedent, not political preferences. It means protecting minority rights against majoritarian excesses. It means sometimes disappointing those who appointed you because the Constitution demands nothing less. This committee bears solemn responsibility for ensuring only nominees demonstrating unbending commitment to judicial independence receiving approval. We must probe not merely legal knowledge, but constitutional philosophy and commitment to deciding cases without political consideration. To all participants, embrace robust discourse with dignity, ask hard questions, challenge respectfully. Our democratic maturity is measured by our ability to disagree with purpose while maintaining civility. To Ghanaians watching, witness democracy in action. Tolerate provocative questions. They are democracy's oxygen. We are building a nation, not trading insults. To the media and parliament staff, thank you for enabling this democratic exercise to be undertaken. I conclude by saying that we stand at a constitutional crossroads. These proceedings will either restore judicial confidence or mark the day Ghana's highest court become an executive instrument, not constitutional conscience. The nominees seek sacred constitutional trust. May they prove worthy. May we test that worthiness thoroughly. History will judge whether we defended democracy when it needed us most. Future generations will thank us for courage or condemn us for cowardice. The choice is yours. The time is now. Thank you, Honorable Chairman.
Thank you very much, Chairman. And thank you for indulging me. I did not know the minority leader had a scripted statement as he has done. So I don't have a scripted response, except I picked on a few things that he has said. One, he speaks about the ongoing process relating to the Chief Justice, Justice Gertrude Tokono. I first and foremost think that this is not the proper platform to be questioning the processes involved in relation to Justice Tokono. I think it is inappropriate, but let me just indicate that there is nothing procedurally questionable in terms of the processes that Justice Tokono is being taken through, because the Constitution is clear in terms of what the process is, and that process has been followed diligently, and efforts to question that process in the Supreme Court has not been successful. And so I find it inappropriate that before a committee of this nature, the minority leader will be questioning the process. And on the issue of accusation that this government is engaged in double standards, I think that is also not appropriate. The nominees are before you for you to vet their suitability, and to say that this government is engaged in double standards is totally inappropriate. I was on the appointments committee when the two nominees were rejected. And let me indicate clearly that my side of the House advocated for the rejection on the basis that at that time, the anticipated retirement of some judges, which would have created a vacancy, hadn't taken place. And there was no need in anticipation to be appointing replacements. And we also argued, and I do not shy away from that argument, that the then president had had the opportunity to nominate so many members onto the Supreme Court. And even if some judges were retiring, he should give the opportunity for an incoming president, given that we're so close to elections, to also have an opportunity to also nominate people to the Supreme Court. It wasn't clear who will be the incoming president. It could have been an NPP incoming president. It could have also been an NDC incoming president. That basically was the crux of our argument at that time. And so for someone to today be accusing this government of double standards, in my opinion, is inappropriate. And I think that we should not use the nomination of these Supreme Court judges as a the vetting of the nominees as a platform to be engaged in partisan politics. I think that basically that will be my response for now, and I welcome the nominees, and as indicated, we will be vetting them according to the standards set by our Constitution, and I hope that this doesn't become another partisan bickering exercise. Thank you.